Picture in your minds who fights a war. What do they do? Where do they go? What do they look like? Who are they? We tend to think of women as a unit of victims in war, in need of protection and relief in war zones, but not directly participants themselves. But in every war, since the dawn of time, women have been present, active, conscious participants. In the ongoing Tigray War in Ethiopia, women are at the forefront of the resistance movement. As soldiers, community leaders, activists, and survivors of violence, they are leading the fight against the federal government in more ways than one. As this war threatens to be the greatest humanitarian catastrophe of this century, women continue to shape and are shaped themselves by armed conflict and by violence.